Model, 64-plate Ford Transit 350L4 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H3 van body, silver, panel van mileage, 127085 MOT, the 22nd of October 2023 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine has been tested and is all good. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,